Kigomano-ini kiria kihaririirio mwena wa Naivasha kigie uhoro wa kuramata ihinda riria airitu mari na kahinda ka mweri ni kwa afitha umwe kuma ruhonge rwa UNICEF hithuritie mathina maria ciana cia airitu ikoretwo ikigerera.
Our girls can miss up to 4 days in a month. That's around 25% of their time missing out of school, and this eventually affects their attendance and their self-esteem.
Kwaga gukorwo mari cukuru mahinda maingi gugacungiriria o kwaga gwika wega mathomo-ini na mwisho wa uhoro magekora magikara miturire ya thina.
Our girls are affected in terms of transition from primary to secondary level, and we know that when the transition rate is affected, then we don't have many girls transitioning to secondary school, and this affects their performance and their quality of life.
Breaking the silence about menstruation and supporting our girls and women to manage their menstruation with safety and dignity will be helping our own economies and our own counties and country at large.
Nduriri-ini ingi mawitikio ma unduire maria mathiururukiirie airitu makinya ihinda riri onamo ni ugwati munene.
We know that the start or the onset of menstruation means that the girl is ready for marriage, isn't it? And so we have early marriages, a 12-year-old, because according to the community, she's now ready for marriage.
Ona kuri uguo thirikari ni ikoretwo igitacukia makinya ma gutigirira airitu ni mahota guthii na mbere na mathomo mao undu uria ugathiriirio na njira nene.
And I want to appreciate the Minister of Education because they have amended the Basic Education Act to ensure that every adolescent girl in school has access to sanitary towels.
Thogora wa iguru wa tauro cia utheru ni murigo andu aingi matangihota gukua undu uria thirikari yuritio irore.
There is a problem in how we have addressed menstruation. For instance, the access even to sanitary towels. We know that there are many children in Kenya, many girls in Kenya who cannot access that. It is too expensive. The cheapest in the market is like 50 shillings.
Maugite tikihota airitu anini kuhera ni undu wa maundu matangicenjia kuona ni mamumbire. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.